My spouse is threatening to stop paying our household bills. I'm a stay-at-home mother without a job. What are my rights? That's a great question.
It is, and unfortunately a situation that a lot of people find themselves in. If you have a spouse who isn't paying the bills, then you could petition the court to file a motion to seek that they be obligated to continue what's called the marital status quo. So both parties, when a divorce is pending, are required to maintain the status quo, or what they did prior to the divorce being filed. So if both parties had certain obligations, usually one party takes out the trash, one party puts the, cooks dinner. Usually
Right.
you divide obligations, right? So, in this circumstance, the wife is a stay-at-home mom and she took care of certain obligations and the husband did as well. And so he's going to be required to comply with those obligations and continue those obligations. And that's the status quo.
What if, let me take it a step further. What if I'm a stay-at-home mom and my husband has cut off my credit card, closed our joint bank account, and I have no access to money? What do I do? How do I even hire a lawyer?
You can seek legal representation. You can go through legal services or find an attorney who's willing to take on your matter, depending on the size of the estate, or maybe you can borrow money from friends to hire an attorney to file an emergent application with the court in order to get your husband to, maybe there's money in a certain account that you can get money from, or you want his wage garnished if he is a W-2 employee.
Right, there's a great option right there.
Right.
To get the money and take it right out of his account.
Right, so you definitely have the ability to seek relief from the court and the court will grant it to you.